When that robe come out, you know it's time for beauty with Patrice. So we're gonna get into how to properly use my eyebrow stencils that are actually on my website right now. You guys can purchase it, pin that up there for you. It'll be down below in the comments, okay? These are my eyebrow stencils. These are part of the membership boutique beauty. You can use these in between your threading, in between your waxing, just a little touch up, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use these eyebrow stencils. Here's my little witch hazel wipes, and then cleanse the area. Like I said, a couple days ago got my eyebrows threaded, but I just want to touch them up and make sure that they are actually on point, okay? Just a little extra, okay? Wipe them off, let it dry. Alright, so it comes with 6 stencils. We have soft arch, upward, straight, S-shaped, high arch, and curved. So we're gonna choose the soft arch stencil